Welcome back to the channel, everybody. Thank you so much for joining me and allowing me to continue to be your daily advocate. If you're new here or you're not subscribed for any reason, please do me a huge favor and hit the subscribe button. Thank you to all of you who have been watching and following me for so long. It truly means a lot, and I'm glad that I can be this person.
Fed approves rules banning its officials from trading stocks, bonds, and also cryptocurrencies, right? If we go right here from Finwood tweet, Fed officials sold all of their stocks here to avoid any conflict of interest. Guys, this is absolutely insane, isn't it? We see, look at this whole market, literally the biggest bubble in history, right? And then all the Fed officials sold their stocks right here, around this area. Does that signal the top, or what's going to signal the top, right? These people are selling their stocks. They're being banned from trading, and even in the cryptocurrency side of things as well. Isn't this interesting? If we go here, as we see, is it the SEC turn to get banned, right, from trading and all of these things, right? We see right here, they probably did inside trade, guys, because they knew about what was going to take place, right, with XRP being quote-unquote a security, right, with the case and all of that. So they probably sold their XRP here, shorted, and then bought down here, guys. Who knows about all of this inside trading that's going on, and the manipulation, all of these things, right? Because these people are already in the know beforehand. To the article, Fed approves rules banning its officials from trading stocks, bonds, and also cryptocurrencies, right? That's really interesting. Do they know something we don't know, perhaps? Right? Most of the restrictions will take effect May 1st or May 1. If we go down here, the Federal Reserve expects that additional staff will become subject to all or parts of these rules after the completion of further review and analysis. And then we got the crypto ban. The announcement Friday extended the ban to cryptocurrencies like Bitcoin, right? Under the regulations, officials still holding market positions will still have 12 months to shed prohibited positions. The new Fed officials will have 6 months to do so. So around 6 to 12 months. So it seems like interesting and fishy, right? What's happening right here with the Feds. Now, Kenny Osito, so you knew XRP is a security in 2012 and you didn't file a lawsuit versus Ripple. You have allowed an unregistered security buy and sell throughout the 8 years. Here comes the judge. Again, beautiful, 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 as we see right here, guys. Basically, these people let XRP run wild and loose for how many years? 8 years. And now they come in and say, hey, no, XRP is a security. Didn't you guys know that? But the wait is so long. And by the way, in 2012, the memo basically stated XRP do not constitute as a security. You guys see how this is a messed up case in itself? Now, Linda P. Jones has tweeted out, "Dear XRP Army, we have seen incriminating evidence against the SEC this week. 39 million of XRP moved to Coinbase and Will's buying 10 million XRP at the second fastest rate ever. SBI Holdings stock price jumped 3.71% Friday. They own 10% of Ripple and will benefit from an IPO. Something seems to be brewing, guys. It is possible we may see the price move up before we hear Ripple is victorious in the lawsuits, right? Now the price is still under $1 and I don't know how long it will remain under $1. So always remember to remove your coins from exchanges, right? For safekeeping. Now, again, guys, seems like, remember, price perhaps before law, right? We see XRP's price go up before they announce Ripple won or the conclusion of the SEC case takes place. Now, Thor's Hammer tweeted out, interesting, Coinbase to offer global remittances. Funny, how didn't Coinbase just receive 40 million XRP from a private wallet? Again, look at this. Coinbase, one of the most popular crypto exchanges, has said that it is diversifying into the remittances business. And then Coinbase claims to have developed a very low-cost cross-border money transfer service. What could that be, guys? What could that be? Could it be XRP? I mean, a lot of proof basically here in the pudding that they can, right? Now, guys, it seems like the case is getting more and more crazier by the day. Johnny Deaton, Judge Netburn's decision on the motion for reconsideration will be the biggest decision in the Ripple case, right? If you go down here, but why? The reconsideration motion relates to the 63 emails containing drafts and comments regarding the Hinman Ethereum is no longer a security speech. The final version of the speech discusses both Bitcoin and Ethereum. The final version does not refer or mention XRP. Again, so it seems like the SEC is about to get exposed, guys, basically. That's what it seems like, right? About the emails, about all these things with the speech and all these things. Now, at this point, we just wait and see what happens. Stefan tweet out, in 2018, XRP overtook Ethereum. While XRP was dumping and Ripple's business could survive without XRP sales, Lubin and Consensus existence was in danger due to the low Ethereum price. At the same time, the most corrupt SEC chair in history was in office. Draw your own conclusions. Look at that. XRP overtakes Ethereum as the second largest cryptocurrency on CEO's bullish bet, right? And then Ethereum co-founder, if Ether is not a security and doesn't need to be regulated. Wow, absolutely insane, guys. Now, headline: Hunter tweet out, new Coinbase is under fire today after people noticed the exchange is a World Economic Forum partner. Guys, look at that. Coinbase, right? And what's happening with Coinbase, right? With XRP. What else ties in with the WEF? Ripple does. XRP. Hilarious ties and connections, isn't it? Now, Neil Wilson has tweeted out, listen to this, guys. This is a beautiful chart because I do have a similar chart right here with XRP to Bitcoin pairing. Now, this is the XRP market dominance. We see right here, XRP 2014. Huge downtrend resistance. As soon as we break out, explosion. Guess what else is happening? It wasn't even that crazy, but what about now? Look how long this is, guys. From what is this? About 2017-ish to 2022. Come on. About 5 years almost, right? So this is how we know the longer the consolidation, the crazier the expansion it will be, guys, right? Look at that. It's going to be ballistic when it does take place. As soon as we have a clear, probably a month above this trend line. Now, Hammer Toes, one of the great things about the upcoming XLS20 standard for the NFTs on the XRP ledger is that it is native functionality like fungible tokens and the XR. It is not implemented via smart contracts. This means it considerably reduces the attack surface, right? You guys seen what happened with OpenSea. It got attacked. So much money got lost, right? Again, with the hackers and whatnot. But we see right here, can't wait because this is going to improve and innovate and adopt more NFTs into the XRPL, guys, basically, right? And it's going to be insane about how much innovation will be upcoming. Now, Bonkrypt XRP is tweeted out, the EU is open to cryptocurrency as long as there is regulation. They have been discussing options to integrate cryptocurrencies into the financial system, right? I can see which asset will be the only one regulated soon. Again, look at this. The EU is open to cryptocurrency as long as there is regulations. Again, everything literally points to what, guys? XRP being deployed into the markets. XRP being deployed into the countries, nations, right? Basically the whole world being interconnected. Guys, we don't make these things up. The EU. Now, Digital Pound Foundation tweet out, Bitcoin paved the way for the next generation of digital currencies. The world is moving towards a more inclusive digital future. We see right here. Did you know 87 countries are reviewing the case for a CBDC, representing a staggering 90% of global GDP. Guys, look at that. I'm telling you, the whole world is coming to the play, right? With this new digitization era. Fame 21 more Swift transfers of funds to Turkey using RippleNet. Again, wow, using RippleNet Swift, huh? I wonder how cross-border settlement with a digital asset is working via fiat model when the currency is collapsing. right? Now, in my humble opinion, I believe the US dollar rate is going to gain strength more to the upside before we do see the collapse. So, which means all the other markets is going to crash. XRP will, so everyone's still saying XRP will only take off if there's a settlement or when the case ends. Little do these people know, prices comes before news. XRP will have its $7 to $13 run while the case is ongoing. Next 30 days will be historical, right? Or historic. You have been warned. Again, guys, price before law. Always remember that it could take place, and it does seem like it may happen with all these events we have been seeing, basically.
So enjoy your day, everybody. I'm always here for you. Leave any comments or questions below, and be sure to subscribe. But thanks, everybody. I really appreciate you. Enjoy your day, and I always have your back. So thanks so much, everybody.